Welcome to this complete implementation guide for Microsoft Entra Self-Service Password Reset, or SSPR, focusing on configuration and on-premises writeback. The goal of SSPR is to empower users to reset their own passwords securely. The outcome includes reduced helpdesk costs, improved security, and 24/7 access recovery, achieved through a hybrid integration between Microsoft Entra ID and Active Directory. SSPR is self-service, allowing users to reset passwords without IT assistance. It is cloud-powered, managed via Microsoft Entra ID, and uses hybrid sync to instantly update the local Active Directory via Writeback. Implementing SSPR reduces helpdesk costs and saves time by eliminating user wait times. It also enforces better security through multi-factor authentication and helps meet identity management compliance requirements. The hybrid architecture shows that Entra ID handles the web interface and policy. Entra Connect acts as the bridge for identity syncing, and Writeback is the channel that pushes password changes down to the on-premises Active Directory. The password reset flow consists of 5 steps. The user requests the reset, verifies their identity with MFA, enters a new password. The cloud validates the policy, and finally, the change is written back to the on-premises Active Directory. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary prerequisites: a Microsoft Entra ID P1 or P2 license, global administrator access, the latest Azure AD Connect, HTTPS connectivity to Azure endpoints, and a healthy sync status. We begin with Configuration Phase 1, enabling SSPR in Microsoft Entra ID. First, access the Microsoft Entra Admin Center, navigate to Protection, and then Password Reset. This is where you enable and control all SSPR settings. Next, define the scope. It is highly recommended to start with a selected pilot group to validate the flow before enabling SSPR for all users in production. Then, select the authentication methods users can use to prove their identity, such as mobile app notification or code, email to an alternate address, or phone via SMS or voice call. For user registration, the best practice is to select Yes to require users to register their authentication methods upon their next sign-in, ensuring high feature adoption. Configuration Phase 2 involves the Azure AD Connect setup, which is essential for hybrid functionality. Access the server running Azure AD Connect. Launch the wizard and select Configure. Do not reinstall. Simply modify the existing configuration. For connection and authentication, select Customize Synchronization options. Enter your global admin credentials and verify your local Active Directory forest is connected. This step is critical for hybrid SSPR, selecting optional features. You must enable Password Writeback. Enable Password Writeback by scrolling down the optional features list and checking the corresponding box. This configures the sync engine to accept cloud password changes and write them to your on-premises AD. Review the summary of changes, click Configure, wait for the sync to complete, and verify the exit button appears. Writeback works by Entra ID, placing the new password request in a secure service bus queue. The Connect agent polls this queue, retrieves the request, and updates the local domain controller. Configuration Phase 3 focuses on on-premises group policy modification. The 0 days requirement addresses a conflict where Active Directory's default minimum password age can prevent a second, immediate password change, potentially causing SSPR writeback failures. We must set minimum password age to 0. Open Group Policy Management on your domain controller to create or modify a group policy object. Navigate to the Password Policy section within the Group Policy object. Double-click Minimum Password Age and change the value to 0 days. To ensure the policy is applied immediately, run gp update/force on both the domain controller and the AD Connect server. The final stage is verification, testing the user experience. To test, open an incognito or private browser window. Navigate to aka.ms/SSPR and attempt to log in and reset the password for a test user account that has been synced from on-premises. As a security check, the user is first challenged with a CAPTCHA. This ensures the user is human and helps prevent brute force attacks against the SSPR portal. This visual outlines the complete user journey, from the moment they realize they are locked out to the successful, secure password reset. Deployment is complete. Your hybrid users can now self-remediate password issues, improving efficiency and security across your organization.